Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to get your international TikTok account in order to get money from your TikTok, to make money from your TikTok or earn money from your TikTok. So this is going to be the first step. The first step is to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download Windscribe VPN. Then there are 6 countries that are monetized in the whole world, which are UK, USA, Germany, Canada, Italy, and Spain. These 6 countries are the only countries that you have their TikTok account and make money from them. So what you're going to do is this. So I have downloaded Witchcraft VPN. What I need to do now is to enter my information. I've tapped on it, open it, then you tap on the plus icon. Okay, I want to connect it. Let me see. I'm connecting it so I can use the VPN. Okay. You can get started by entering your information, your username, so now export log. Well, we gave it our best shot. We shouldn't have signed you up using this network for some reasons. So now you can now export log, that is export conversation. Okay, enter your information, log in and start using it, or you go to the Thunder VPN. I prefer this Thunder VPN because you don't need to enter any information. This is the one I use. All you just have to do is to make sure that when you download it like this, allow it to be connected, select the country that you want to make it to be. Like me, I'm using USA. Look at my server. Let me show you my location. You see the symbol here, USA. You can select any of them since you already know the 6 countries that allows you to make money from TikTok. So I'm using United Kingdom, that is UK. It is one of the monetized countries. So that is it for how to do it. And the next thing, after getting these servers, you can now go and download and create your TikTok account if you don't have anyone. I already have it.
Here is how a lot of you are going to lose money.
I already have a TikTok account, so I'm not going to create one because I already have a TikTok account. If you don't have any, you follow the due process of creating one. Okay. You go and create a new TikTok account if you don't have any. Enter the terms and create it. And for you to be able to be successful in your TikTok account, you must make sure that you upload new content consistently. You must make sure that your contents are unique. You must make sure that you follow up with your audience to keep them updated steady. Without this, you're going to have problem. You'll make sure that you are not uploading copied content. Make sure that your content is unique. That way you're going to make your content to be presentable, make your content to be unique, and that way people will follow you up. If you don't do things like that you are going to lose, and you will be losing not just from any other thing. If you want to know more about it, instead of long stories, all you have to do is to go to this freedom on your TikTok, tap settings, then you make sure that your TikTok, you can go to your community terms and policy and read about the community guidelines. That way you avoid your TikTok from falling into any of the problem. And another thing that you have to do is to make sure that your TikTok account is not on business. If it's on business, you're going to have problem in making more. You will not be paid. You will not make money from TikTok account. TikTok account that are not personal and cannot make money from TikTok. The only way you can make money from TikTok is make sure that your TikTok is personal. If your TikTok is not personal, you will not make money from it. So guys, that is it on how to create international passport, international TikTok. So if you this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and leave all your comments on the comment section.